So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. Simply have to click on Start Lab, and once the lab is started, right click over here and open the link incognito window. Now from here, just copy the first username, paste over here, hit enter. Copy the password too, paste over here, hit enter. Now from here, scroll down and click on I understand. Now from here, just click on I agree and continue. And now watch the video carefully. So let's remove it first of all. From the search box, just type knowledge and open the knowledge catalog. Wait a second. Open it. From here, you can see manage option is there. Click on it. Create lake. Come to the lab instruction. Come to task number 1. If it is not working, just scroll down a bit and simply copy this particular name. Remove extra space if any. Select the region which is highlighted over here. It might be different for you. Okay, cross verify once again and then come down and click on create. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes, so you have to wait for it for the creation to get completed. Meanwhile, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now from here, once it is created and active, click on it. Click on add zone. Come to the lab instruction. So from here, just copy this particular name. Paste over here. Cross verify which type of zone they are asking, raw or curated. You have to just select it. Raw it is, regional, and here we have to enable one setting, that is this one. Okay, so once you have done, you can again click on create over here. It will again take 2 to 3 minutes, so wait for it. Now once it is active, double click again, and from here you have to add asset. Select storage bucket, come to the lab instructions, scroll down a bit, copy this name, leave as it is, come to the bucket, select it. Okay, done. So these things we have to done, and done, submit. So we have done the first step. Okay, now you can check the score for task number 1. Wait for it to get completed. I think it's still creating over here. Asset creation failed. Retry. If you get failed issue, retry it or just recreate by doing the same process over here. You can see it's creating. Wait for it to get completed. So now you can see it is ready and active. Come back again and check the score over here. Right. So what we have to do in the next step, we have to just come over here. Here you can see secure option is there. Click on it. Just click on this option. Again, click on it. And from here, what we have to do? Okay, so from here, just grant the access. What we have to do, we have to come over here, and here you can see user 2 is there. So just copy it. Paste over here. Just add dataplex to additional role. They're asking reader. Add another role. Dataplex writer. See, chances are there they'll rename it again to knowledge catalog or whatever name they'll update. What you have to do, you have to just check the role over here, copy the role, and from the search box just paste it carefully. You'll be able to find it because they have not updated a dataplex to knowledge catalog. Okay, so like this you have to do. So from here we have to just check the score for this task. Okay, I think okay, we haven't saved it. So first of all, you need to save it. Wait for it to get updated. There you can see it's asking for dataplex data reader. Cloud storage bucket. I think one more role they have asked. No, it's working. Now come down over here and just check the score for this task also. You got the score for both the tasks. Now what we have to do, we have to perform the last step. So from here, just close this page. Come to the top. Wait a second. Open the console. And this time what you have to do, use the second username as credentials. See, all lab performs the same function. Mostly they have updated the UI, but function remains same. So if you are completing any of the skill badges, you won't face any issue. Only if you are facing some issue, you have to run gcloud space auth space login. In some of the labs, there are some issues over there, but the GitHub repository is working fine. Now from here, what we have to do, just click on I agree and continue. And from here, first of all, we need to close it. From here, just go to the bucket option. And from here, just go to the buckets. And here we have to upload a random file over here. Just double click over here. Any file you can upload. The process is very simple. For example, let's open a new tab and just download any of the file. So either you can open a new tab and upload the file, or from here also you can upload any of this file you can upload over here. Okay. So there is no any limitation for upload file because they have clearly mentioned. Now from here, once you have done, just check the score for the last task.